If you are an author or a proofreader, you will receive an email notification that proofs are ready for review. Click on the link in the email to access the SmartAccess page. On the left is the book name and the personal greeting, on the right are individual placeholders for each chapter that needs to be reviewed. Click on a chapter and the corresponding files will get displayed on the left. Select the WYCIWYG action from the yellow arrow next to the chapter file. The file will open in WYCIWYG, PageMagic's online proofing interface. On the left is the proof PDF, on the right is an editable XHTML version of this file. The two files are synchronized at a paragraph level. Click here for a full screen view. Review the PDF as you normally would. When you need to make a change, click on the paragraph. WYCIWYG will automatically highlight the corresponding paragraph in the XHTML pane. Make any textual change and then you can go back to reviewing the PDF. You will see that the change is tracked by default, and the name of the person making the change is automatically displayed on hover. Since you are working online, we recommend that you save your changes periodically. If you wish to pause your review and resume later, you can click on the exit button. Do not click on the back button of the browser to exit the interface. Once you finish your proof review, click on the Finish button at the top right corner of the WYCIWYG interface. This will move the chapter out of your queue. For more information, refer to the Help section on WYCIWYG.